Hello dear fellows. Research is a scientific way of knowledge derivation which requires a strong grip over research history, scientific terminology, issues, challenges, and possible outcome or prediction about the result, proving hypothesis either wrong or right. To avoid the repetition in research errors and raise the issues being faced by research community, researchers and scientists should write and publish their commentary and opinion on regular basis. Scientific opinions and commentaries will help the next generation to understand the application of research methodologies and define their target. These act like accessories of scientific knowledge based on expertise of eminent scientists and senior researchers discovering the unknown. Stay with us and please subscribe our YouTube channel.